heck with this offer. Oh.
So the seats come off.
You need to think that this is a 20-year-old seat. The top tier airlines will have new products probably every 7 years maybe.
I think I'm going to wait and also take it apart.
Potentially take this off, then sort this out first, and then move on to the next part.
The seat could be 8 years old, and so the foams you're sitting on could be at least 4 years old.
Much uncomfortable as this is.
You want to basically try and work your way through. To sort of free that up.
Just get small samples so we can use on the machine.
Being able to recognize these materials gives us a chance of recycling the materials. Unfortunately, our industry doesn't tell us what the materials are, so all these seats in here, all these parts, we don't know what they are. Okay? None of them.